tram engine had been saved from scrap and brought to pull trains on the Tone Controller's railway. When he first arrived, he was shabby and needed new paint. He often met James at the junction. James was very rude. "Ah, what dirty objects," he would say. At last, Rob lost patience. "James," he asked, "why are you red?" "I am a splendid engine," answered James loftily. "Ready for anything. You never see my paint dirty." "Oh," said Rob, "that's why you were left in the shed to be ready, I suppose." James went redder than ever and snorted off. At the end of the line, James left his coaches and got ready for his next train. It was a goods train, with lots of grumbling trucks. James hated goods trains. "Dirty trucks from dirty sidings," he grunted. Soon James had a long train and set off. But James had bumped the trucks so crossly that they were determined to pay him out. As James rumbled onward, the trucks made a plan. They carried it out. Together they surged onwards. "Hurrah! Hurrah!" the trucks laughed as they pushed James down the line. With the speed increasing rapidly, James tried his best to stop, but the trucks were too strong. Through the station they sped, and into the yard. James shut his eyes. There was a bursting crash, and something sticky splashed all over James. He had run into 2 tar wagons, and was black all over. He was more dirty than hurt. By the time Rob arrived to help the clear-up effort, James was already back on the line, and Yandel had cleared away most of the mess. "Look here, Yandel," exclaimed Rob. "Whatever is that dirty object?" "It's James, didn't you know?" replied Yandel. "It's James's shape," said Rob thoughtfully. "But James is a splendid red engine, and you never see his paint dirty." James pretended he hadn't heard. They cleared away the unhurt trucks, and then helped James home. The Tone Controller met them. "Well done, Yandel and Rob," he said. He turned to James. "Fancy letting your trucks run away. I am surprised. You're not fit to be seen. You must be cleaned at once." "Rob shall have a new coat of paint. Brown, I think." "Oh, thank you, sir," Rob smiled, and puffed away.